What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are talking about a grooming tool that every guy should have in his kit, the best nose hair trimmer for men that makes personal care quick and painless. If you want to look sharp and feel confident without the hassle, this one is for you. Let's get started. The product we are looking at today is the Monaro Nose Hair Trimmer for Men. Monaro designed this as a versatile grooming tool that handles multiple tasks in one compact device. It is a 4-in-1 tool that combines a nose hair trimmer, a beard trimmer, and a microshaver. That means you get a complete grooming solution without needing a drawer full of separate gadgets. Everything you need for quick touch-ups is right here in one handy tool. Let's talk about the features that make the Monaro Nose Hair Trimmer stand out. First up is the rechargeable electric system. This trimmer runs on a built-in battery, so you can use it anywhere without hunting for an outlet. It is compact and lightweight, which makes it perfect for travel. Just toss it in your bag and you are ready to groom on the go. No cords, no fuss, just reliable performance whenever you need it. The second feature is the 3-dimensional curved blade. This blade is shaped to gently follow the natural contours of your nose. It trims hair effectively without scraping or irritating the sensitive skin inside. You get a clean result without any discomfort. It feels smooth and safe every time you use it. Next is the 360-degree multi-directional floating blade. This design allows the blade to move and adjust as you use it. It reaches hairs from every angle for a thorough and quick trim. You do not have to twist and turn the device awkwardly. Just guide it gently and let the floating blade do the work. The fourth feature is the powerful high-speed motor. This motor cuts through hair smoothly without pulling or tugging. Anyone who has used a cheap trimmer knows how annoying pulling can be. The Monaro trimmer avoids that completely. It gives you a clean cut in one pass, which saves time and keeps things comfortable. Another important feature is the removable blade. Cleaning this trimmer is super easy. You just pop the blade off, rinse it under water, and snap it back on. No complicated disassembly required. Keeping your grooming tool clean and hygienic takes just a few seconds. The sixth feature is the low-noise operation. This trimmer runs quietly, so you can use it without waking up the whole house. Whether you're at home or in a hotel room, the quiet motor adds to the overall comfort and convenience. Finally, the Monaro Nose Hair Trimmer can be used while plugged in or on battery power. This gives you flexibility. If the battery runs low, just plug it in and keep going. You never have to wait around for it to charge when you need it most. The overall design focuses on safety and comfort. The intuitive interface minimizes the risk of accidental cuts. Everything about this trimmer feels user-friendly and well thought out. It is built specifically for men who want efficiency and portability in one device. This little tool makes a big difference in your daily routine. Check the price link in the description to see if it fits your grooming kit. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful videos. Stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one.